What has been your biggest show so far? Have you done any shows?
Most definitely. I do many shows. I've done some fest. Done some fest twice. Done Rebel Salute. We've done a full length US tour with my father Sizzla. We've done Reggae on the River, California.
Yes.
Then I'm in couple. That's like 2016 back then though. So yeah, we have motion out there, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows the struggle you bore, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. Mama Africa.
Hi, busy me.
Yes.
Say she wanna kill, then after got some kids. She never knew just what I did. Cause I'm the raggedy boss. Dun, dun, vibing on the hill.
Adunaye, naye kiwa blessing. We leave it Jayana. Ring ding 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 ding. Neyman.
This hard life, why the streets alone are my choice. They think heavy, we no roll like we just one fight. No afraid to pop them like a cold Sprite. Them want why we give them all night. Watch you know, man the realest stop on her. Why you from barn? Fire burn the wall of them eye. Boom ya.
High grade weed and water. And somebody that just take it in the charter. So she wants to suck us, booking like massa. We cheap anything faster. No sir, no go, so we get higher than the pasta. She could be like Marcia, that one you never get me 1 year. Over cloud 9 where you're gone.
Well. Good morning, Dream Team One Team, Dream Team One Team. Blessed morning to all, blessed morning to all. Yeah, so this morning we're on the journey again. You know, I'm on my way to go and pick up D. You know, for go and meet Sizzla. You know, for the official interview. You know, so that is the plan this morning, to go and meet Sizzla. Yeah, for the official interview. You know, because last time was the time kind of run out, so we never get a chance to go and do the interview that we don't want it. So this time now is more different. It's more than a pleasure and a blessing, you know, if we go meet the man himself. You know, we're gonna take you on the journey to Judgment Yard once more again. Judgment. So blessings to all. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. Remember to put the thumbs up whenever you start to watch the video. You know, that's the golden rule. Put the thumbs up, you know, make the likes grow. Yeah man, so we give thanks Dream Team One Team. You know, it's the all the way team.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. I keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them not like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me try so hard, then want me feel, want me pop down and lose me faith. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry. Every day.
Well, Dream Team One Team, Dream Team One Team. Blessing to all, bless it to all. So hope you have been a wonderful day anywhere you are. You know, hope God guide and protect you on the road. You know, enough blessings and enough love. Yeah, so we're gonna go on the road. Apparently she get a call, you know, to go and meet Sizzla, you know, to get the official interview, because the last time was a bit of shortage on time, you know, because the time they kind of run out where we never have enough time to go and do it. So apparently today is the day, so we're heading back down into August Town. So we're heading back down into August Town today. So yes, we're heading back down to August Town today to meet Sizzla Kalonji down by Judgment Yard. Yeah man, so stay tuned for that one, you know. If you haven't subscribed, please go and subscribe. And all the new subscribers, that's from D and also Chris, you know, thank you so much, you know, and we welcome you over here. Blessings and big up Africa. Big up Mama Africa, you know, thank you so much, you know, anywhere you are in the world. God bless you. Okay, thank you.
Real. Huh?
That is it.
Oh, that is it. Oh, okay. Come on.
That is it.
That is it.
You see, that is it, you see? That is it.
Yeah.
You wonder.
Today I'm putting on a jeans because I don't want to go to
I was-
the parents with a short.
Should I call your name? Jadiel. Blessed.
Hello, how are you?
Thank you.
Color's been on there?
Chicken animals.
Jadiel there as well?
No, not again.
So here we have these. Remember, don't forget to subscribe today, please. In the description you will see the link, and remember we need to get her to 500,000 subscribers, so she's on the road and let's do it together.
Yes.
Please, she's my partner in crime, only good crime we do, you understand?
For bringing you amazing stories from Jamaica.
From Jamaica.
Alright.
So tell them D.
Okay guys, so my name is Dee Mwango, solo female traveler from Kenya, that is in Africa, and welcome to Jamaica. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Dee Mwango, we almost 500,000, so please let's do this. Let's do this.
Come on, let's do it. We need to get let's get to the share. So let's do it. The 500,000.
Bless up.
Yeah. Bless up. Kenya. Blessing. I would eat the other day as well too, you know, so I would have videoed the fish them in there, so kids them over the pool. Yeah, I'm over the pool. Yeah, over there as well too. So they're kind of their own, so.
Let's find someone and sit under the shade. Maybe.
Yeah, you want to go over by the pool side to sit?
Yeah.
Come here.
Sure.
Go by the pool side to sit. Huh? Oh. So I get my rest up here now. Yeah. Yeah man, so you know.
When I see this stuff,
Sizzla.
I just remember zinc.
What them call zinc in your country? What them call zinc in your country?
Mabati, it's in Swahili.
In Swahili?
Yeah, it's our natural language.
You hear that name there? We just call it zinc. We don't know about that name there. We don't say zinc. Yeah man, so Sizzla, you know, he's gonna be here soon. He's resting up for a minute, so he'll be here soon, anytime soon. So we're just here by the pool where everyone having a little bit of fun.
Let me chill out.
Blessed fire. Blessed. Artist? Oh, you got yourself artist. Yeah, so this is. Yeah. And this is. Go and get them something.
Yeah man, high grade weed and water, And somebody that just take it in the chat. So she wants to saka, smoking like massa. She bring it in faster. No sir, no go, so we get higher than the pasta. She people like Marcia, that one you never get me 1 year. Over cloud 9 where you gone go. It takes thing to tango. If you shine the fire, that's a combo. Shoot the stars like a Rambo. Janova make it so bro. I've been smoking. Isn't it? Big up everybody in Kenya, they know the great show.
Big up. You have a YouTube channel? Yeah, give yourself a shout out.
Yeah, man, YouTube, find from YouTube, the great show. Oh yeah, YouTube, THEGREHXW. Is it instead of one O in the show is X.
Yes.
So everything else is regular, the great show. Great spell GRE. Is it me going from Instagram or check out my Spotify, Apple Music, isn't it?
Alright.
And when they just drop me on Puff Pass.
Puff, yeah. The vibes sound unique, you know, sound different.
Big tune.
Yeah.
Yeah, that is it.
Oh.
Yeah, artist too?
That is it?
That is it.
Yes, that is it.
No, but here at now.
D Mwango.
Oh, D Mwango.
Yes.
D Mwango.
D Mwango straight to me. You see me, we are in the judgment yard, you know. You see me, all the vibes.
D Mwango. So you're artist of fire?
Rocky the boss. Yeah, man, Rocky the boss.
Hey, Rocky the boss?
Yeah,
Alright, Rocky the boss. See there. The world.
Oh, go on. You don't know what they are, judgment yard, they see Reggae the boss, for shout out there. Oh, D Mwango, big up. Alright, turn on there. You know, more farmer, let's see. Yeah. Well, D Mwango, big up yourself, you know the thing.
Big up to yourself too.
Reggae the boss with their judgment yard, you see me? How sure where you come from?
Kenya.
Kenya, you know, big up to the whole of Kenya, you see me? Kenya means Jamaica, we live, you see me?
Yes.
Say she want to kill, then after got some kids. She never knew just what I did, cause I'm the raggedy boss. Dun, dun, vibing on the hill, we smoking up some spliffs. And now the cushy guy cheap. She wants the raggedy sauce. Well, them not here.
Well, raggedy sauce.
That's a crazy man. We live, you know. D Mwango, big up yourself, you know.
Yeah.
Big up key in the life, you know, real hard man from here, you know, man.
Yeah.
I'm it up on the
So they are with the artist, Raggedy Boss. Them not here.
Yeah, so we're there, Kino Life in Jamaica, you see me, Judgment Yard, and the Raggedy Boss, Auna here.
Yeah.
Well.
Yeah, Raggedy Boss, the man sang unique a while ago now, them style unique. So you say, yeah, give them something else, Raggedy Boss. I give them one more.
Some figure them, man.
Like, so much album, no, you have whole heap.
That's too my thing that make friends till I'm not really, you know.
Send them out there. Exclusive, so right now, so we get the exclusive then, right?
Yeah.
So we get the exclusive, okay? I know Mama Africa sit down and watch right now.
Yeah, alright. So Mama Africa, you don't know where I spread love, you see me? I love what I answer for the people, you see? And my thing still kind of different, you know, so it's a new age classic, you see me? And Reggae the blues, you see me? So yeah, give them a little piece now. Love it is the answer for the people. Let me hear you feel the rhythm of the breeze. Looking at your eyes, I see you need love. Hold me close, I'll take you to the seven seas. Just stay with me. Well.
You hear that, the new age classic, you hear that sound?
Raggedy
blues, the man again, them blues. Original blues in these times, I guess. So the man reincarnate about the blues, you know, a different style. Unique. See them, raggedy. I know I say the next artist, so I say with the next unique have something another.
Really hard man from here now, man. You see me keen alive in Jamaica, you see me straight.
Shit.
And D Mwango, you see me from Kenya. Out here.
Yeah.
And Judgment here.
You have one more for them?
So you want the next thing, what kind of style?
And style when I'm tough, but I lie. I force me to get used to that style right now.
When them see the star, them blind without shades. When we touch down and shine without rays. Puffy high grade get fried without days. Can't find a girl with hot without blaze. Yeah. Them blind without shade. Heading at the clouds get high without grades. Can't live nice, this wifey, okay. Now is the time and I'm in rhyming diamonds till I diamond iron lion on my way to Zion with my soul on fire. Demons burning no vampire when you see man, see me, yeah. We no painting, easy skanking, no go round thing. Young queen know how to be when she the round key. Every empress so hard to impress. Every princess is a say you're the best. Hard to stunt hard when you're born in them. But we still ball like we get new crap. Wake up in the morning, the street make a step. Let them and them come till them tongue breathless. New necklace, crystal on my chest. Now we bust way and everything blessed. Keep alive in Jamaica, you see that?
Big show. Give them and this shout out again, them know.
The Grey Show, you see me? G-R-E-I, you see me? The Grey Show, that is it.
Yeah, Grey Show, you know. So we get the exclusive, unique talent, you know. Yeah, Judgment Yard. So this is it, the pool. And the youth them have fun in the pool right now. Beautiful water. Clear. Oh yeah. You never watch a video? You never see? Miss it. You would have died, remember man. Every day you come swim. You just see that swim though. You can see it man. You put your finger them. Long time in the water. You go swim for Jamaica? You go swim for Jamaica? You don't want to swim for Jamaica? Jamaica needs some swimmers, you know. Can go Olympic and win the swimming team. What you say? No, you don't want to swimming. But you're a good swimmer. You see about some big swimming right what you have. I think me can't swim so good. You are a big swimmer too? You want to swim? Huh? What you want to be when you grow up? Footballer? What you want to be when you grow up?
Fly plane.
Fly plane, you want to be a pilot? Yeah. What you want to be when you grow up? Footballer. So who you want to be big like? Messi. Who you want to be big like? Messi. And you want to be the best pilot ever, right?
He was a footballer, my daddy. Mbappe, fast.
Fast?
You don't remember when you long time.
Yeah.
Pele.
Yeah. Pele. So you watch highlights with Pele?
I got the Maradona.
Maradona.
Vinicius Jr.
You got the Vinicius Jr. Real Madrid. Oh.
I don't want to be a footballer, but you have to. You see, if I'm not coming to football, I can go much.
So they say you are the runner?
I run.
In fast? In fast. So you say you can't run?
I'm fast because I go.
Yeah, suppose you are next Usain Bolt.
Never go your faster than me.
Yeah.
Why people faster than me?
That's true, but support them, but your friend them say you're the fastest, them know, you know the group.
The other people them who fast now, them can get old and get slow.
Yeah, of course.
And him come take it over.
Exactly.
Then somebody else.
You know. So you never know, see my exercise, I get fit. Yeah, maybe a year time, some book Usain Bolt record when you get big. Yeah?
And Usain Bolt still alive.
He's still alive?
And him fast. Usain Bolt still alive?
Yeah.
Him still fast?
But him still fast? Well, he may be faster than me and you and Uno. Yeah.
You watch him race? You think say Usain Bolt did dead because of Corona?
No. Where you hear that from? Usain Bolt never dead. Usain Bolt still alive, see me. Remember him are the champion, you know. Record holder, you know, for the 100 meter and 200 meter. And also for the relay team. He's a living legend. So, he's a legend.
What the fastest swimmer?
Fastest swimmer, Michael Phelps.
Michael Phelps?
Phelps. He swim for America.
Swim fast.
Yeah.
Where him been now?
In the Americas here, man. He's the
He can
fastest.
swim fast. Yo, Dan, tell me a bit to see if you
Man
can
have all the records. He's the fastest. He's the best.
It lock up.
You know that car, but still on.
But it's a ear.
Yeah, here. Still on here.
You can go underwater.
Watch out with the
Yeah,
word, that's what
man.
I'm
Underwater. Hold on there. Go back here.
with it. Remember, sir? See,
Hmm?
you can go back here tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Like 10 o'clock in the morning.
What?
So sell the water clear them time there.
Oh, water clean them time there.
Yeah, the water clear.
But the water clear, see me now.
No, this is water, no. This is water. Spring water, we come from around this one.
Okay.
But you see, if you go around this one, you see water, but it's a different color.
Oh.
Oh, you see?
Aye. You know what? Let's say, I need Millie Crew. Sizzla son. See a big artist. They know it's the key in life in Jamaica.
Yes, sir.
The man say,
Vibes, you know what I mean?
so the father, so the son.
Yeah, just like that. This hard life, why the streets alone are my choice. They think heavy, we no roll like no like we just one fight. No afraid to pop them like a cold Sprite. Them want why we give them all night. Watch you know, man the realest up on her. Why you from barn? Fire burn the wall of them eye. Boom ya.
Sure.
Yes, as
Wow,
I said,
big
he's an
tune.
artist and we recently gone into the world of sound engineering, you know what I mean? So, yeah. We have great show right here with we're there every day with you know what I mean? Great show, Reggae.
Great show, yes.
Yeah, upcoming, you know what I mean?
Working all together.
Yeah,
Big
it's all a
tunes
big
coming
unit.
up.
And it's a new wave, you know? Every day we put sweat into this, you know what I mean?
Yes. What has been your biggest show so far? Have you done any shows?
Most
around?
definitely. We do many shows. I've done some fest, done some fest twice, done Rebel Salute, we've done a full length US tour with my father Sizzla. We've done Reggae on the River, California.
Yes.
You know what I mean? Couple, that's like 2016 back then though. So yeah, we have motion out there, man.
Yeah.
Yes.
Some more nice I got make, you know what I mean? As we say, we're there, Bill Karen, the sound engineer, we just got the label up, Jump Out Music.
Jump up music.
Jump Out, you know? Yeah,
Jump Out.
Yeah, I do them have to jump out of the struggle and show judgment, yeah, next generation, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Banging.
Yeah, and let me just ask something. Maybe I don't know if you can answer it or your father will be in the better position to ask. How comes that you all decided Judgment Yard can be a place where you nurture talents and people can just come in? Because not everybody does this, you know, like where I come from, people keep their places like really private and all this.
Yeah.
What was the reason behind it? Just to let it open to the public, people can come in, and you know, this is where like you all live, the family and everybody. What's the reason behind it?
Well, if I'm to be honest, Sizzla would give you the best answer
Answer.
for that, but I can still answer for myself because you know, it's just a thing we're set in a stone, you know what I mean? Because that's the years of hard work with Sizzla do, you know what I mean? This is a place where over the years people always come for sanctification, salvation. Enough time people are going through problems. People we even see on the media won't call names and they end up right here, you know, seeking salvation and things. So it's just an energy and a current and a voltage where Sizzla realized that the world need, you know what I mean? I can tell you something, Sizzla is always a man for the people.
Yeah.
True.
Man. Even growing up, you know, as a child, I always pay attention to his duties for the people. So with all that being said now, I just thought it was right for him to really open
To
it up,
answer
you know what I mean? Yeah,
Yes.
and just open up the place towards you know, a new generation. You know,
Did he consult like the family, like the sons, like the parents, or he just
Yeah,
decided?
he informs us, you know what I mean? And he would ask us, you know what I mean? We would say that's a good idea. And our family give our input, you know what I mean?
Yes.
But all in all, this is really Sizzla's vision there. Everything we've seen right there is a vision. Before I was even born, he had in mind. And catch me so. We just respect it and we just try to bring it forward, you know what I mean?
Okay. Yeah, another question, because this is your faith is more of the Rastafarian culture
Most
and
definitely.
faith, you
Most
know.
definitely. All we lean, all of the... Alright,
line song.
I like this Burna Boy song, the one I go. Kilometers. Kilometers. Hey, but we go, yeah, wicked. Not for them, man. Not for them, man. You know, I like the artist. If I sing the song them I like, we sing the whole day. Because music is beautiful, you know what I mean? We just try our best to just appreciate everybody.
Yes.
You know what I mean?
Okay, last but not least, any advice you'd give to any artist who's maybe starting up or looking forward to join the industry?
Well, tell them, say, just believe in yourself, you know what I mean?
Believe in yourself.
And just really take it up serious, you know? Just be dedicated to it and just, you know, nerd, be an audio nerd. Yeah, that was a good advice that I got from somebody in the industry, you know. I would tell everyone, just be an audio nerd, you know. Try it, you know. If it's one thing you need to nerd out yourself with this music, try to know everything, try to learn everything. Just engulf yourself fully in it, you know what I mean? And just breathe it, you know what I mean?
Yes.
Most definitely.
Okay, thank you so much. It was an honor having you today. I really appreciate. Guys, if you're watching, give yourself a shout out on YouTube.
Yeah, man, you don't know your voice of the young Melaku, you know, you see it. Watch you now. Got me now. 5 new thing a week, that's minimal. Them girl happy we girl. We have them girl in the club, in the cinema. Yeah, man, follow the whole thing, you know. Melaku music on Instagram, Twitter, the whole connection. You catch me?
YouTube.
Yeah. Boom, yeah. YouTube channel, Spotify, MELEKU.
Yes.
MELEKU. Yeah, man, check out the whole thing, man. You know? Jump out music.
Yes.
Wheel it.
Banging.
Yes.
Banging.
Thank you so much, and guys, that is it. Let me have a picture.
All is well.
Good.
Yes, sir.
Bless up, man. Is it? Welcome.
Most well, most sir. Cool.
I watch a program on YouTube.
Okay,
Yeah,
see there.
Hi, what's up?
Bless up.
Bless up.
See
Dana.
there.
Sorry?
I'm Dana. What's your name?
Oh, Diana.
Diana.
Yes.
Yeah.
Nice meeting you.
Nice
Take care,
meeting you.
Yeah. They say been watching it.
Yeah, man.
Cool,
I know some woman can know with channel.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. She
Big her up,
always
man.
watch. She watch her thing from Kenya, right?
Oh,
Yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Man.
And
Thank
I
you
am
so
I am
much.
I am Mara.
Yes.
family.
Yeah, my brother. He's my brother.
I was taking it.
What's your wife name? What's your name? Give her a shout out. Michelle. Yeah, man. Big up yourself, Michelle. See there. One link, you know. Thank you for watching. See you here. I make your husband know I go and say, see there. Connect right now with our judgment here. Do one connection.
One family, you know.
One family, you know.
Bless up.
See there. So you're artist too?
No, producer.
Producer?
Yeah.
Wow. Jadiev. Jadiev passing at the place.
I
Yes, so blessed fire.
Shepherd.
Cool, man. Righteousness. Yeah, man. More side, you know. This is where the eye name.
I am blood, you know, come blood. We am Kenya with camera, you know.
Okay.
I come blood that you would, you know, maybe skillful. Things the older folks, them, you know.
Yeah.
They call me young blood. But don't get Ulan or they call me blood.
Yeah, okay.
Come with that good cricketer, you know what I mean?
Oh, he was a cricketer back in the days.
Yeah, the days, eh.
See, so a foundation man in the place.
Yeah, man. What's that about? Meditation in whatever thing you do still, you know. So far, the cricket game just turn to the music, you know.
Yeah. So his meditation is the way, you know.
Yeah.
So a long time now in a judgment yard.
You know, this is about 2 years plus now, I'm at judgment yard. I'm going to come, you know, but I'm from Maroon Town, still, you know.
Maroon Town?
Yeah.
Maroon Town himself?
Yeah.
Okay.
Maroon Town.
Which one of them?
St. James.
St. James?
Yeah, we call it Trinity Town.
Trinity Town.
Yeah.
Trinity Town, see there.
Yeah.
I know it's always interested, she always want to know Maroon Town. Same here,
Yeah, I know how they sold all the war fight between the British and the Maroon. Then.
Yeah.
Yeah, right on the battlefield in Barn and Grove, man.
Yeah, man, because we don't want to get an insight down there as well, too, you know?
I mean, man, it's a great place, man, for you really good, man, and see the vibe and people, the history, the first garrison in the world, right, that's all, you know, Maroon Town, you know?
Yeah.
First garrison in the world, Maroon Town.
Maroon Town.
All the history side, them did it.
See there.
come now and me kind of build up the flag for maroon.
Okay, see
And the
there.
anthem for maroon.
Yeah. See there, most sorry man, big up yourself man, fireman. And more strength, yeah? We give thanks. So we give thanks. So you don't know, say it's the moments. Yeah, the moments like this now, we go.
The clip to him.
Go see Dada himself now, you know. You ready? You can down there, sir.
Okay.
Yeah, walk.
Down there?
Now there? Yeah, okay, come here. Yeah.
Finally.
Where am I come back? Yeah.
Oh, easy, keen alive in Jamaica. The judgment here. Farming keen, you know? Cool as the breeze blowing.
How is it? Nice?
Yeah, great.
Great?
You done well. Surprised me.
I surprised you?
Yes. Yeah, Dee really surprised me, you know. She really good at what she does. Trust me. She really good at what she does, you know. Thumbs up. You know, thumbs up
Thank
for Dee.
you so much.
Yeah, thumbs up Dee.
Thank you. Thank you. Kina always taking and hiking me up.
You know what? It's not the wrong way, it's the right way. I'm not pretending it. You know, it's the right way. It's what really happening, you know. So we give thanks, and blessed love to all.
Okay. Get ready. Gonna have an exclusive interview with Sizzla Kalonji. You all know him. If you don't know him, who else do you know? Let me know in the comment box down below, and let me know your favorite song that you love more about him in the comment box down below. So finally, thank you. First, I want to start by saying thank you so much for granting me this opportunity, because it's not just easy, and I came here without any appointments, but you still give me the opportunity. So I want to say thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. I really appreciate it.
That's the fun. You're welcome.
Yes. So welcome to today's interview, and I have some questions that I want to be asking you about, and if any of the questions you don't feel comfortable answering, it's okay. You're allowed not to answer. Okay, you just answer what you feel it's okay with you. All right. So you can introduce yourself, maybe for those who are new here, because I understand the channel keeps growing every day. Maybe for those who are new here, completely new.
Good day, this is Sizzla Kalonji, also known as Miguel Orlando Collins. Another artist in reggae music. You're blessed. You're welcome.
So as he said, guys, you all heard about it. So let me just go direct to the interview. So what really inspired you to venture into the music career, and how did you develop your unique style in the industry?
Well, being inspired by the Most High, intelligence, Mother Nature, seeing the deplorable stage black people are in as a youth, watching the news, studying current situations and happenings in the country, listening to great musicians, knowing to yourself that you've reached the age of grasping intelligence and being able to decipher for yourself through this dark age and this evilous world being placed upon us as black people. I've decided on starting composing songs, writing songs, fitting songs on the beats, the reggae beats. And from there and then, sufferation of the people, I dawned it upon me to start putting all these beautiful messages into the music. And my unique style about it is just to be natural, atmospheric culture, the black culture, the African culture. Love your people, lead your people, and teach your people. And then you'll see all the bad happenings happening to your people. So there and then, just be natural, and it will come to you.
Yes. In connection to that, your music normally carries a lot of deep message to the society and politics at large. So what are your expectations from the society through your music?
Naturally, on the record is the fulfillment of the Back to Africa mission being launched by the government of Jamaica, visiting the African countries from about 1962. So my basic, I would say, what I'm really looking for out of all this, the duty of the music, is for the government to follow the trail and stay aboard, keep sailing that ship. Marcus Garvey had once told us that Africa for the Africans, though that's the home and us abroad. So that is what I'm looking for out of my music, for the government of the world to take the message and see within the lines and gain the intelligence of returning black people to Africa. The repatriation duty to Africa is a government to government duty. It's nothing where you're going to go through the window, we'll be going all through the door. So there and then, follow up with the mission, the Back to Africa mission, in returning black people to Africa, in having cultural exchange, in which students from Africa should be coming to Jamaica to finish their studies, and students from Jamaica should be going to Africa to finish their studies through the colleges and universities, not just Africa, but the whole entire Western diaspora, including the Caribbean basin. So that's the message I'm giving through the music.
Yes, and it's really interesting, guys, but for we Kenyans coming to Jamaica, we don't need like visa. It's actually 6 months for we Kenyans to live in Jamaica, and that's one of the reasons as to why I'm in Jamaica. And I would wish it could be like more visa free for any Jamaicans to come to Africa, and Africa same way. All right, so is there a routine that you normally follow when you're writing your music? Like, what criteria do you use? Do you just go in the studio and it's, you know, like, what's the criteria behind your music?
It's black culture, it's natural. You can just hear the rhythm there and start making a song, start writing a few lines, gaining a few verses, because if you've studied, you could show yourself approved in this time. So the basic thing is to study your culture, know your roots, know your principles and your guidelines at the foundation of Rastafari. So there and then, whenever time the duty is being placed upon you, for example in writing a song, you'll be properly informed about your culture and your people and slavery. So then you can go forward and just do your natural stuff. It's indigenous.
Wow. Another question that I have in mind is about the judgment year. So what was the reason behind it that you just said, you know what, I'm giving back to the community by starting up the judgment year where people can come in and all that? What's the reason behind it?
Well, naturally, Jamaica, for the record, people in Jamaica, they are the persons taken away from Africa and the Jerusalem. Same Jerusalem, King Solomon Jerusalem, King David Jerusalem. So there and then, the music is for the people. Sizzla is for the people. Therefore, I don't need to close my door. The heavens aren't closed. There are sunshine. There you have the streams. There you got the trees. There you got people doing a lot of beautiful stuff. A lot of people doing a lot of community services and doing a lot of shows out there. A lot of people out there want to show the world what they can do, what the world can possess in just uniting. There's no fear. If you ain't doing anything wrong, there's nothing for you to fear. This is a very beautiful community, and not because you can just come here at an instant doesn't mean that you're not protected or you're not being watched. Everyone that comes here, we all know who comes here. Someone must can bear the record. So this is it. I'm Sizzla. It's my place.
Yes.
It's my community, and this is how I would like for my community to be, where children should just come here after getting authority from their parents, and we here will just be in our respectful place doing the duties of our respectful office. Therefore, it takes a community to grow a child. We can't close the people out of the community, yet we're going to put in the people's mind a culture of love, a culture of unity, a culture of education, a culture of knowing our roots and a culture. The first thing in our culture is to love. Yes. And with love, you have no fear.
Wow, that's really interesting, and to me it's an inspiration. To me it's something that I look up to it and I'm like, wow, how I wish we could all do the same, because in that way we're making the world a better place for all of us to thrive in. So your music also has a lot of influence from your faith, that is the Rastafari faith and culture. Do you think there's influence that it brings to your music?
Yes, exactly, and that's the way it ought to be, and that's the way it's gonna be, because our music is only about the Almighty and our culture and our people and what we live, the way we do things, the way we relate to each other. So it's one for all for one. Working in this manner, there is no failure. Rastafari motto: one for all for one. Working in this manner, there shall be no failure. So you got it from your parents. The chip doesn't fly far from the block. You got it from your parents. You must be handed down, must be passed on. That's just about it.
Interesting. You've had so many collaborations before with other artists. Is there any collaboration that is really remarkable and memorable? And why do you think so, if there's any?
Yes, I've done a lot of collaboration and I pay respect to all those great artists. But one of my favorite songs is Holding Firm, and I did a remix with JAMAICA. We did the video down in Painland, Loveland, close by His Majesty's School, Haile Selassie High School, and that's one of my favorite remix collaboration up until now. And I've done a lot more. The one with me and Ragamali and Keep It, and a beautiful collaboration also. But something about Holding Firm, because we're trying to get out of slavery, that would be Holding Firm.
Sure.
Wow. And one of the big tunes that you have, the title Thank You Mama. What was the story behind it? Because in the song we hear you thanking your mother for raising you up, carrying you in the womb 9 months. What's the story behind it? Like, what really inspired you to write this song?
One of the cultural items in our culture that makes us a bond with the Most High is that we should read. Reading is a part of our culture, even at one of the first items in our culture. Therefore, it's our duty to create psalms, create proverbs, to give poetic speeches, to write conscious paragraphs where it can inspire persons and enhance them for a better growth in life. Therefore, honoring your mother and honoring your father is a great duty for yourself and unto the Most High and for the nation. And I've been listening to the music and I was like, I need to put some new topics in the music. So there and then I'm saying to myself, I'm not hearing any songs in the reggae music really giving that honor and reverence to the mama. So there and then I've decided to put another topic in the music, and I said, I'm going to put this in the album. And something for me which is really, I would say, a culture, is to listen to your album and find out the current situation, what's happening in the country, in the world, and see if there are any topics matching. Did this album before, this topic wasn't being heard to the people, we're going to get this topic out. This is my new album. There's nothing about my mama or the mothers in the world. We're going to write a song about the mothers. So that's another strategy in composing albums. So there and then I say I need to have a mother song out, and once I have a mother song out, all other beautiful artists will start writing songs about their mothers. And I say, yeah, that's a nice strategy. So there and then that's how I really curated the Thank You Mama song.
Wow. And yeah, I think through that, nowadays there's so many songs coming up, thanking their parents and all that, which is a good idea because you do it and others follow, which is a way of, making the world a better place, because without mothers, we all couldn't be alive today.
Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. No one knows the struggle you bore, just only you. Give you all my love, oh yeah. Thank you, Mama, for the 9 months you carried me through. All those pain and suffering. Mama Africa.
Yeah, and that is it. Another thing that I'm just curious, because I don't know if you've ever gone on Google and searched about Augustown itself. From what the media shows us, and for my experience, it's different, because on media they say Augustown is one of those dangerous places to go, but when you come here, like myself, what I find here is totally different. I've been to other hoods like Trenchtown, Augustown. I've been to a number of them, and to me, the experience that I get there is absolutely different. Amazing people, loving people, a place that you can just go, you know, and just have a good time, just like any other place. But the media puts it in another different way, which is more scary. So what can you say, just something about Augustown? Having grown in Augustown, you have your yard here, Judgment yard in Augustown.
Augustown is a very beautiful community, indigenous state, Maroon property, Rastafari state, Rastafari property, Hebrew Israelite place, Hebrew Israelite state, Hebrew Israelite empire. Now you must know that we the black people, we are the people from Jerusalem. We've been speaking a lot of languages, but especially the Hebrew Israelite language. Yeah, Abagada Awazakata ya Kalamanasa Apataza Kwarasha. So we're always trying to learn our African languages and to be more in our African culture and African ways, and this community is a replica of Africa, being spearheaded by Bedward, Alexander Bedward and the Bedwardites, people being in servitude from the Moona Plains and the Ligani Plains and all those slave plantation. They left those places and they came here and they started developing this community where they can have sustainable development, where they got herding up the cattle. They did a lot of stuff. The factories were here. You know, you got the Hope River to provide the natural spring water so they can do a lot of stuff. Augustown is a botanical garden for Kingston. Elei, Ya Rastafari. More blessings to our mothers and fathers. More blessings to our patriarchs and matriarchs who have long fought this fight for us to be here. Repatriation is our must. Africa, we love you. Jamaica, we love you. Hail the Right Honorable Marcus Mosiah Garvey.
Contact right I have here. So many fans from there, and they always tell me.
You lose it?
No, I don't think it lose.
If you jump up, you can. Yeah?
Send it for the box.
Yeah? For the... Oh yeah, he's in the studio, yeah. Oh yeah, go get them, yeah. When you go in the studio,
thank you so much.
Right there outside, there's on the floor in that black bag. Yeah, I have different type of music, but my name is Neyman.
On YouTube, everywhere?
Yeah, on YouTube you can find.
What's the name on YouTube?
Instagram?
Yeah. Okay. I worked with Sizzla 10 years ago. We have a song. We make song. Look, my name is here. Neyman.
Oh, nice.
Ray Neyman. I have different type of, let me show you. Neyman. Ray Neyman. I'm one of the, let's say, one of the #1 artists from French Guiana and Suriname. For a long time. Yeah, I was signed at Soul Music France.
Instagram, I want to follow you.
Yeah, my Instagram, Ray Neyman.
How was the interview?
It was great. I'm not psyching you up. You done well. You done great. I give you a thumbs up again, Lee.
You want to know?
Yeah, Instagram.
Neyman.
Yeah, Neyman.
Neyman.
So you're part of the Judgment Yard?
No, I just came last night to Kingston, to Jamaica.
Oh,
I live in French Guiana and Suriname.
Oh, wow.
Oh, you don't?
Oh, I don't have the data.
That's right. So give me, if you wanna.
D Mwango official.
Yeah, also you from Jamaica?
Jamaica.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah, man.
Big up, man. Big up, brother. All the way from Neyman.
French Guiana, Suriname. Yeah, in Jamaica. Judgment Yard. Yeah, man.
So let me hear something now, because I don't realize you're a big artist.
Na ye give a blessing. We leave Vijayana. Ring ding 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 ding. Neyman. If wa ibitum site no man. You mu fika ala san gigado. Fika ala san gija. Yeah. Neyman in the building. Ring ding 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 ding.
Neyman.
So he's also an artist. Give yourself a shout out. Big up yourself.
Yeah, man. You know, so this is Neyman representing within Judgment Yard, straight from Suriname, French Guiana to Judgment Yard, Jamaica, Kingston. So the thing said, ring ding 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 ding. Yeah.
Ding ding. So that's the slogan. Ring ding ding.
Yeah,
ding.
that's my thing.
So what's the latest song you have out? You have a new single out?
Yeah, I have a new single coming. Yeah, I'm me there to work on that, you know. Normally I should work with Busy Signal on that track.
Wow.
Yeah,
So that's exclusive.
Yeah, it's an exclusive track.
So stay tuned for that. When is that?
I think tonight we go to the studio to record that track, so you can come over if you
So
want. The tune we're gonna work on is a tune like Majolizer song, the same type, but it's an Afrobeat.
Afrobeat.
Yeah, Afrobeat.
Okay.
A mad tune.
Mad tune.
Mad.
So you have a new video release?
Yeah, I'm just gonna release a new video. I soon release a new one on the 1st of November.
1st of
It
November.
will come. Yeah, I just take it here, so.
Oh, so that's the.
Hope.
I love the tune.
Ding 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 the ding. If I ibitum sitei no man, fika ala sangigado, fika ala sangija.
Oh,
That
name, man.
Yeah.
Hope. What's his name? Hope.
Hope.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to
Yeah.
meet
So
you
much
too.
humbled.
Yeah, you know
Today I've met very, very important,
and I
interesting
think
people.
right now you are the right place because Dada is a good person. You know, I meet a lot of artists, but him are the realest.
Yeah, the
you know,
realest,
and that's why, you know, when you're rough and tough, people don't like you, but you have to be like that in this world. You know, cool, but you have to protect yourself.
That's so true.
And Dada is a good person. I know him like 12 years now. From now till now, sometime he came to French Guiana, called me, hey man, where you there? Go to party with him. That's so great. Yeah man, love it.
So what's it like in Africa? What's your message to Jamaican who want to visit Africa?
I think every black man have to visit Africa because Africa is motherland. And Africa is a place, I've been there. When you're there, you feel the right feeling. You feel something strong that we all come from there. We don't know exactly where, but Africa is a place where when I'm there, I feel safe. I feel that I am at home, and I feel good in Africa.
What's your favorite country in Africa? Or Africa at all? Because we have 54 countries.
Yeah,
Personally,
but
I'm from Kenya.
I've been to many, but I don't have favorite country in Africa. I love all of them.
All of Africa.
Yeah, true. I love all of them.
So you don't want to say, oh, I love this African country
No,
more than that one.
I love
like,
all of them. What I want to see unite.
Yes.
That our people unite like they do it now. Now it's time for us to unite and get back. Rise up.
So for any Jamaican who want to go to Africa, how many hours is it for flight?
It depends on which side you are going to.
Yeah.
You can go from the US, you can go from Europe. There is many different roads, you know, to go there.
Okay.
But
So that means you have to need a visa if you're going to go to the US
I think you need a visa,
Europe.
yeah, true.
Because there's no straight flight.
No, there is no straight flight.
And actually, we need straight
That's
flights.
what you need.
We need
Exactly,
straight flights. Why should we have to pass
true.
through their countries and give us headache?
Exactly.
We need them visas, which take
Yeah,
so
normally
long.
we
They
need
even
straight
don't give us.
flights. Yeah, true,
we need
true,
straight
true.
flights to Africa.
Yes, true.
You know?
Yeah.
And that's one of the main thing, you know, get the straight flight to Africa. I guess if you have a straight flight from
And it's because
Jamaica.
of them.
Yeah, it's
Why
true.
we
But
don't have.
you know, but I think things will change soon.
It will.
Yeah,
I
man,
think.
because right now, Africa kick France out.
Yeah.
That's a good thing, man. That's a good thing because
Yeah.
France keep Africa, you know, in
On the
poverty.
ground.
Yeah. But now there is the young generation wake up and turn the thing
Things around.
differently. And now I think things gonna go well.
So it's Africa for Africans, right?
Yeah, but everyone welcome, but we're not racist. We don't say that other people can come.
Yeah.
If they come with a good intention to help,
You're more than
to make
welcome.
things turn good,
You're
it's
more than
okay.
welcome.
You know, you're more than welcome. You know, we're not in racist thing and that, and you know, Africa is for everybody, but come with good vibes, with good intention on
Not just
my
check,
people.
check,
Not
check, check,
not
check,
just
check.
take. Yeah, bring us.
Yeah.
Bring us our thing. Bring us the love. Bring us, you know. That one.
I know, you know, me always think of going Africa.
You want to go there?
Yeah, but you know, since McD, you know,
Yeah.
I've been watching her and her brother over there, like, it kind of influenced me more.
Okay.
Want to go there,
Yeah.
you know, and then she
You should,
come
man.
and she tell me about experience.
Yeah.
And then, you know, one of her first thing when she said, like, Kenya, you know, Jamaica is hotter than Kenya. I'm like,
Yeah,
hotter than
that's so
Kenya?
true. By far. Yeah.
Because I think Jamaica, Africa is so hot.
Yeah.
You know, I was like, what's the point go Africa and it's hot like Jamaica, you know? But she said like it's not that hot.
Yeah, some places is, you know.
Some places, like the west part of Africa, could be this weather, but come to Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania, different. Totally different.
Yeah, because that's where you live in Africa, right?
I used to live there, but now I'm back in French Guiana and Suriname. But I was in Madagascar. Madagascar is a part of Africa, but not really Africa, but it's a part of Madagascar. Yeah, it's a nice country.
And it's good still, they recognize it as part of Africa.
Yes.
You know? That is known. That is it.
Yeah.
True. Yeah, because looking at your appearance, it look like you're coming from the US or the UK, you know, so... See, there's a difference.
Pure African,
Pure African.
You know, I'm from French Guiana. French Guiana is like near Brazil, near Suriname. So I'm from French Guiana and Suriname. My parents is for both sides.
Both sides.
But we are from Africa first. After we. Right in.
So it's just right there on the border.
Yeah, man.
But I would definitely visit one day. You know, it's a must. You know, hopefully.
Travel is the best thing. Travel the world, meet people. You learn more than read a book.
Yeah.
Sure.
For me, when you travel, you read more than you learn more than read a book, because you experience things straight. You meet people. You see things. You feel. You smell. You get everything real
right
inside
away.
Right away. Yeah.
The vibration and the personality is different. Because you're gonna understand your personality from another person, personality from a different culture.
Exactly.
You know, and that makes sense. How many countries have you traveled to already?
Oh, maybe 50.
50?
Yeah, maybe 50.
And D, tell them 40.
Yeah, sure.
So imagine that. 50 and 40 and me
0.
2.
0.
No, 2.
But that soon come.
So yeah, so 2. So that's start.
If you start, you have to start somewhere.
Yeah.
You start with 2.
Yeah, 2. So I'm counting.
Kenya will be 3.
Yeah. In this week, I make like Miami. No, I was in Suriname, French Guiana, Suriname, Miami. And the next stop was, I forget, but Jamaica. But another one, I forget the other stop.
Yeah. So you just keep traveling.
5 countries in one. Sometime in 1 month. 5 countries.
So you just travel.
Not just travel, but you know, you don't travel. You travel for something.
For something.
Yeah.
So it makes sense, you know. It makes me want to travel more, because if you 50 and she 40 and me only 2, how much per general? 2. You see me? So 2 Caribbean. So see there, so I need to start.
You'll get there.
Well, I need to start now, you know.
Travel is good, man. Travel is good. It's really, even you don't have, sometimes it's just not take fly and go away from your country, because in your country you can travel. I think you in Jamaica, but you don't know everything in Jamaica.
No.
There is places you never been to.
In Jamaica.
Yeah, in Jamaica.
That is true.
So we have to visit our country too, you know, go in different places to see, you know, to catch the vibes, and after that maybe you travel around and you go forward, you know.
It makes sense, because I've been to places in Jamaica where I've never been before.
Exactly.
You know, it always takes someone else from another country to come in Jamaica for me to experience that. You know, because I think that's most of the inner city youth, and they never get a chance to travel out them community. You know, because it's not about them afraid for venture out. It's just like a mindset for them. If they think they're here, they just want to stay. They don't want to go there to mingle, you know. But it's good for go out and venture out. We have more
adventure is the best thing, man.
Yeah, so more open up.
Discover the world, discover new things.
I was born
learn from
it. Because of my wife, she's a Pennsylvanian, she's a US woman.
Yeah.
But I know Montego Bay and Negril and places in outer areas, even in Portland. But when she comes, she don't stay one place.
She just keep moving.
She come this month, and we are in here, outer areas. And when she come December, it is my birthday, we are with Montego Bay, we go Negril, but different places.
Yeah. Cause why not? Because we don't go have one life to live, you know.
Like those bags, this is my business. I make bags too.
Okay.
Yeah, I make bags with the African print. It's not really African print, it's from the Netherlands, you know. But the design is from Africa, but the stuff is from is European.
Oh wow.
But
Maybe I could get one and advertise it for you on my channel.
Of course,
Yeah,
of course. I have some here. I bring some from my friends.
Nice.
So where can you get them if someone watching and want to?
From now, they cannot get them because we. How do you say that? I take it out from the net. I start back the website, and it will be soon ready. But for now, they cannot get them online. But soon it will be there. It's Sibewax.
Sibewax.
Yeah, the name is Sibewax, but I changed the name. The new name is Dowe. Dowa.
Dowe.
Yeah.
I like it. A good traveling bag. Whenever you are from country to country.
I put my computer in.
Yeah.
And I travel with this.
So it have
it's leather. And
so
African print. You see? Yeah,
amazing.
Practical.
Definitely. I definitely gonna need one whenever I'm traveling.
Yeah.
See, it's lovely. Good idea.
You can't find it nowhere.
Nowhere.
Yeah.
I like it, man. I like the image of it.
When you travel you find different type of idea to do things, and this is how I get to this.
Yes, yeah, man. So it's nice meeting you, man.
Thanks, yeah.
More love every time. See you, I would definitely check out more music them because I really like what I hear.
Yeah, go call me and we go straight to the studio.
Straight to the studio.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Every time I'm blessed to see you, my family. We're gonna make up the number more. Cause me and you go travel two. So you don't know where to keep.
I'm going to Bahamas for December.
Immediately. Nice to meet you.
And I've never told you, I'm the son of a chief.
Oh,
She's Colonel Pre of the Scots All Maroon. So I'm Colonel Pre's son.
Okay.
That's why I'm around Sizzla.
Wow.
Wherever he passes off in 2017. And he was a chief for 34 years.
Wow.
Okay. See, and she's so interested, want to know so much more about the Maroons as well too.
Where you live, I want to know.
Just so many number, man. I just send you things you can read.
Yeah. Cause watch I know. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch I know, no.
Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we will make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.